Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to make 9 by 16 video in Davinci Resolve. So first, all you need to do is to import a video on Davinci Resolve. And once you imported the video clip on Davinci Resolve, all you need to do is go to Project Settings. And on the project settings, you'll see this one. All you need to do is just invert the value of this frame. So what I mean is I'm gonna copy this one, and then 1920, the 1920, I'm gonna put the 1920 on the second box, 1920, and I'm gonna put the 1080 on the first box. And once you put it on the right place, all you need to do is click save. And there you go. You already converted the video to 9 by 16. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.